Hello everyone. Discover how Odoo's Marketing Automation module can revolutionize your business. Imagine effortlessly creating, executing, and analyzing powerful marketing campaigns. With a rich array of features, this module offers everything you need to automate your marketing processes and engage with your customers in a highly personalized and targeted way. Are you ready to take your marketing to the next level? Let's dive into the core features, uncovering Odoo's Marketing Automation module's prowess, delivering powerful functionalities and transforming business processes with your campaigns. Campaign management. Harness the core strength of the Odoo Marketing Automation module through its robust campaign management capabilities. Effortlessly create and oversee marketing initiatives by defining the key parameters. Campaign objectives, target audiences, preferred channels. Workflow automation, allowing you to design intricate workflow automations triggered by specific events or conditions. Create sequences of actions tailored to customer behavior or campaign interactions. Automate personalized follow-up emails, lead assignments, or customer record updates effortlessly. Lead scoring. Utilize Odoo's Marketing Automation module's lead scoring system to prioritize promising leads based on criteria like campaign engagement and website interactions. Assign scores to leads to focus on the most promising prospects. Streamline lead management and increase conversion rates effectively. Discover the significant advantages of Odoo's Marketing Automation module and learn how it provides businesses with the essential tools to achieve impactful results efficiently. Multi-channel marketing. With Odoo's module, execute campaigns effortlessly across email, social media, and other platforms, catering to diverse customer preferences. Ensure a cohesive strategy for maximum impact, reaching customers where they're most receptive. Analytics and reporting. Gain valuable insights into marketing performance with Odoo's Marketing Automation module, equipped with advanced analytics and reporting tools. Track various KPIs like open rate, click-through rate, monitor campaign effectiveness, and refine strategies based on customer behavior, ensuring optimal resource allocation for maximum impact. Integration with other Odoo modules. Odoo's modular architecture strength enables seamless integration of the Marketing Automation module with other modules. This unification streamlines customer relationship management, linking marketing to sales, inventory, and customer service. Data synchronization across modules enhances efficiency and fosters collaboration, optimizing overall business operations. Odoo's Marketing Automation module is a feature-rich solution that covers every aspect of modern marketing, and through guidance of certified partners, O2B Technologies, this can customize as per business requirements, from campaign creation and workflow automation to personalization and analytics. This module will provide businesses with a comprehensive set of tools to elevate their marketing efforts and build lasting relationships with customers. For more info on Odoo, visit our website, www.o2btechnologies.com, or contact us info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.